guys, this is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. This is the fourth tutorial video about the profile portrait drawing by Loomis Method. He turned his head to his backward quite massively. So let's get to start. This is about between the frontal face and the side face, because this head is tilted to backward. You will see the lower part a lot, and the upper head, top of the head, will be turned down. So actually this part is behind, so this goes up, and this is the part of the top of the head which turned to other side. This is the side part, probably something more like this, and this is very important line, turned down to the other part, the other side, the face midline, something like this. At this point, beside of the ear can be like this. Also, the nose, it comes probably till here. And this is the forehead, the face structure. Too far. So this is about the ear position, eyebrow which goes down. This is then eye socket. This is the nose. This is the chin. So let's clean a bit to make better looking. I can make a line for you, the border line between the frontal face and the side face. Here, like this line, the bone, cheekbone. So this part make the side part of the face, and this part frontal. But as well, the frontal face has also two plane. So this make the middle plane between the side and front, because it's a kind of a mask, right? It goes round. It's not like the eye is here and then suddenly the side face, but it will cut one more plane that makes the between of the two sides of the face. So it's going to be this part, and it makes also to the chin. And this part is the actual frontal face, and you don't see the top of the head, but you will see more the underneath of his chin and jaw part. So if I would see him from the frontal view of him, would make like the head and the neck. So the neck make automatically quite, curvy. So we are looking from here actually. That's why we don't see this part of the head, but we see more his underneath of his chin. And the eyebrow line and his ear line makes a big distance of the height, right? The highest point is here, and his highest point is ear is here. So this is this kind of height distance, and this make kind of this round. Of course, the same this round, and the jawline, the forehead, the hairline. So this curve is absolutely deciding factor how we can make this pose or this angle very naturally. So this declination is very, very important, of course, here. So let's clean again, and then I will process the completion of the drawing. I'm finished with this drawing process. I hope you have enjoyed this drawing process and the tutorial, and I hope you got some useful insight and tips from this tutorial and the process video. I hope I will see you in my next video about probably the last part of the series, profile portrait drawing by Loomis Method. I wish you have a good day and hope see you next time. Bye!